Hello students, how are you? I hope you are well. I am fine also. Now I am presenting from Ghare Boshe Shiki page. This page is developed by, just a minute, I like to see your class now in my laptop. Thank you everybody. Okay, Shumi, you're fine. Thank you. Sara from Narayanganj. You're from Narayanganj. Thank you for joining my class. Before going to our class, we'd like to say that what's my previous class. Do you know this? My previous class is to how to add play and go. When you add play, and which games you add play, which games you go, and which games you do. And today we learn about something. Please look at the whiteboard now. Can you guess this? What is this? It's a flag. Okay, Sadia Shin. Okay, Sadia Shin from Dhaka. Thank you from join yourself. Good afternoon. It's a flag. It's not it? And which flag is this? In this flag there have a sign. Do you know this? Which flag is this? Yes, it's a flag. And which flag is this? It's a sign of symbol of a competition. Symbol of a competition. Okay, Cheryl, thank you. Thank you for yourself. And another you will come, please. It's a flag. And flag for which flag it is? It's a Olympic Games flag. Olympic Games. It's a Olympic Games flag. Olympic Games. It's a Olympic Games flag. Today we learn about Olympic Games. Today we learn about Olympic Games. It's a competition. It's a competition. Shahar. Okay. Adhura, thank you. From Chattogram, yourself. Thank you very much for joining my class. Today we learn about Olympic Games. Thank you, Sharif sir. Oh, thank you. Tulu sir, thank you for joining my class. About Olympic Games, I know about many things about this. Do you know? It's the biggest competition in the world. Biggest competition in the world. What is the prize in before time? Do you know this? Sorry? Okay, no problem. What's the prize before time? In future, past time? Do you know this? Oh, I'm fine. ওকে, আমরা একটু শুনে নিই। আমরা এই গল্পটা জানি না কিন্তু, তাই না? আমরা কি জানি আজকের দিনে অনেক গোল্ড মেডেল দেওয়া হয়, ব্রোঞ্জ দেওয়া হয়, রৌপ্য দেওয়া হয়, তাই না? কিন্তু অনেকদিন পূর্বে যখন প্রাচীনকালে যে অলিম্পিক গেমসগুলো হয়েছিল সেখানে পুরস্কারগুলো কি ছিল? সেখানে পুরস্কারগুলো কি ছিল জানো কি তোমরা? কে কে বলতে পারবে? দেখি কমেন্ট করো, দেখি তোমরা জানো কিনা। I'm fine, thank you. How are you? তোমরা জানো কিনা, কে কে জানো কমেন্ট করো দেখি। যে আজকের দিনে অনেকদিন পূর্বে অনেক প্রাচীনকালে যে অলিম্পিক গেমসগুলো হতো সেখানে পুরস্কার কি দেওয়া হতো? কে জানো তোমরা? দেখি তোমাদের কমেন্ট দেখি তোমরা কে কে জানো। ওকে খোনা, থ্যাংক ইউ। আমার প্রশ্ন আছে যে আমরা পূর্বের দিনের যে অলিম্পিক গেমসগুলো দেখেছি, আমরা দেখিনি এগুলো, এই গেমসগুলোতে কি ধরনের প্রাইজ দেওয়া হতো, কে কে জানে? Oh, don't know. You say you don't know. Another. What's the price? What is the price? তখন দেওয়া হতো, বলে দিচ্ছি তোমাদেরকে, তখন দেওয়া হতো জলপাই পাতার মুকুট। জলপাই পাতার মুকুট, জলপাই পাতাকে সৌভাগ্যের প্রতীক হিসেবে ঘোষণা জানা হতো। গত কিছুদিন আগেও যেমন ব্রোঞ্জ মেডেল বা বিভিন্ন মেডেল দেওয়া হয়েছিল, সেই মেডেলগুলো দেওয়ার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে যখন রোমে অলিম্পিক হয়েছিল, সেই রোম অলিম্পিকে ব্রোঞ্জ মেডেল বা অন্যান্য মেডেলগুলো দেওয়ার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে জলপাই পাতার মুকুট দেওয়া হয়েছিল সেই ঐতিহ্য অনুসারে। কারণ প্রথম যেটা হয়েছিল, যে অলিম্পিক গেমসটা হয়েছিল, সেটা হয়েছিল রোমে, প্রথম এথেন্সে হয়েছিল। সেই এথেন্সে যখন আবার পরবর্তী যখন গেমস হয় কিছুদিন আগে, তখন সেইখানে মেডেলগুলো দেওয়ার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে জলপাই পাতা, সেই প্রাচীন যে ধারাবাহিকতা ছিল জলপাই পাতার মুকুট, সেই জলপাই পাতার মুকুট দেওয়া হয়েছিল। সেটাই ছিল পূর্বের দিনের অলিম্পিক গেমস জেতার শিরোপা। So thank you. I'm reading the text. For reading the text, I would like to add describe some words. Do you know this? Competition. Do you know this competition? What is competition? Thank you. You know this. Thank you very much. Competition is an event. I'm rubbing it. Okay. An event. It's a competition, an event. An event in which people try to achieve. In which people try to achieve. Which people try to achieve, in which people try to achieve. Pratijogita, right? Your competition, pratijogita. It's a competition, an event also. When you say in English an event, it's called an event. Okay. Host. Do you know this? H-O-S-T, host. H-O-S-T, host. Host. Who is the host? An organizer. An organizer of an event. An organizer of an event. And what's the compete? And biggest. What is biggest? Something that is the largest. Something that is the largest. Then I say you that host and biggest is the largest. What is that? Is the largest, biggest. It is largest, and biggest is the from big. It's come from big. When যখন তুলনা করা হয় যদি একজনের সঙ্গে তুলনা করা হয় তখন বলি বিগ। নিজেরটা যদি বলো, আমার কাছে এটা, this is big pain, this is big pain, this is bigger than you, this is bigger than you, and this is the biggest than all others, this is the biggest pain all others. I say this is the biggest from big. যখন একজনেরটা বলা হয় তারটা বড় বলতে আমরা বলি বিগ। যখন দুইজনের মধ্যে তুলনা করা হচ্ছে তখন আমরা বলি বিগার। যখন অনেকের সঙ্গে তুলনা করা হয় তখন আমরা বলি বিগেস্ট। Olympic is the biggest sports competition. Olympic is the biggest sports competition. Modern. Modern. Of the present time or recent times. Recent times, recent and moderns. It's called recent times. Okay, just a minute. Modern is called the recent time, not first time. It is recent. So now I'm reading the text, and for reading the text, I have to say you that you have to find out the key words. যখন আমরা যে কোনো টেক্সট পড়বো সেইখানকার মূল কিছু শব্দ আমরা বাছাই করে নোট রাখবো যাতে খুব সহজে আমরা টেক্সটটাকে মনে রাখতে পারি। So for this I have to wipe it out. So first one is this: Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. First one is this: Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition. Sports competition in the world. Biggest sports competition in the world. It is the biggest sports competition in the world. And the Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. It is held every 4 years. Every 4 years in different host city. In different host city. In a different host city. 4 years, different host city. In different host city. More than 200 nations. More than 200 nations. We also call that country. 200 nations or more than 200 nation or country. More than 200 nation or country send a total about 13,000 athletes. Sorry. About 13,000 athletes sent. More than 200 nations sent a total about 13,000 athletes. 13,000 athletes to compete in more than 30 different sports. How many sports there? 30 different sports. Look at that here. More than 200 nations sent a total about 13,000 athletes to compete in 30 different sports. And now the first Olympic. The first Olympic was held in Greece. Held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. Almost 3,000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games The modern Olympic Games started 1896. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896. In 1896, and there have been 31 different Olympic competition. 31 Olympic competition. Okay, sorry. 31 Olympic competition. Olympic competition since then. This is the keyword of this text. These are the keywords of this text. So now you have to fill the blank first. You have to fill the blank first. The Olympic Games are held dash 4 years. First one is the Olympic Games are held dash 4 years. So now it's your time. Who are in my class? It's your time. Please join. Fill in the blank now. Open your book and read the text and fill in the blank now. It's your time. Who are in my class now? Next one. Nearly that dash athletes competing in the Pro Games. Dash athletes competing in the games. Nearly that dash athletes competing in the games. The Dash Olympic was held in Greece. The Dash Olympic was so what's the answer? Okay, what's the answer now? For the first one, the Olympic Games are held dash every 4 years. Dash 4 years. What's the answer here? What's the answer here? What's the answer here? The first, yeah, right you are, thank you. Every first Olympic, it is the first Olympic Games. The Olympic Games are held dash. Aisha Akhtar say every, okay, it's every. It's right here. Every 4 years. Every 4 years. Okay, now another one say every. Okay, now another you can say now. For the next, I'm going to next now. Nearly dash athletes competing in the games. Nearly dash athletes competing in the now. Every for B. What's the answer number B? What's the answer number B? Okay, just joined. Okay, now thank you. What's the answer number B? What's your answer? Now I'm writing this. Nearly 13,000 athletes. Nearly 13,000 athletes. Yes, not 200 athletes. 13,000 athletes. Here, number answer is 13,000 athletes compete in the games. And what is the number C? The dash Olympic was held in Greece. What's the answer here? The first. The first Olympics was held in Greece. The first Olympic was held in Greece. Okay, now I am going to take you another. I think you all are reading the text carefully. If you read the text, you can answer anything. Okay, now it's first now. Thank you. Next one is that right, true or false? Right, true or false? The Olympic Games is the name of a game. Number A. The Olympic game is the name of a game. Is that true or false? Is that true or false? Write it quickly. Number B, I can see your comment. Number B, Olympics are held every year. Held every year. Number C, what is the number C? About 30,000 athletes compete. About 13,000 athletes compete. Number one, what's the number one in number A? What is the number A? The Olympic Games is the name of a game. You don't know. The first Olympic Games took place in Greece. And number E. Number C is true. About 30,000. Okay, number C is true. Number B, A is false. Yes, A is false. Number B is false. And number C is true. And number D. And what's the number E? You can see. Just a minute. What is the number E? Greece. Okay. The passage is about athletes. The passage is about athletes. The passage is about athletes. Now I am going to write in the answer. Okay. It's please comment. Number C is true. Number C is true. Okay, now number C and number E is false. Okay, fine. Thank you. And now I'm going to write the answer. Number A. The Olympic game is the name of a game, not it's name of an event, not a game. So the A is false. আমরা প্রথমে আমাদের দেখে নিতে হবে, রিডিংটা পড়তে হবে এবং রিডিং থেকে ওই বাক্যগুলো খুঁজতে হবে যেটা বলছে বা তার অর্থগুলো দেখতে হবে, তাহলে সহজে আমরা অ্যানসার করতে পারবো। So number A is false. Number B, the Olympics are held every year. No, every 4 years. So it is false also. And number C, you say it's true. Number C is true. Number D, what is number D? The first Olympic Games took place in Greece. Number D is true. And what is number E? The passage is about athlete. No, it's false. Yeah, you say false. Thank you. Thank you who correct this. Thank you very much for this. And now I'm going to test you about the question. How often the Olympic Games held? How often the Olympic Games held? Now question number 2. For number B, how many countries compete in the Olympic? How many countries compete in the Olympic? How many countries compete in the Olympic? It's every 4 years. Okay, it's right answer. You say it's every 4 years. Okay, now the next question is, what is the next question? What is the answer of the next question? How many athletes compete in the Olympics? How many athletes compete in the Olympics? 200 countries. Yes, it's a number A is 4 years and number B is 200 countries. Okay, now is for the next number D. I'm writing the number D. How many sports are there in the Olympics? How many sports are there in the Olympic? Simi, you not answer. 13,000 athletes. 13,000 athletes for number C. Okay, and what the answer about number D? There are 31 sports. 31 sports. No. Not 31 sports. Aisha, can you say that it's not 31 sports? You can't say 31 sports. In your text says that. No, number D. No, 31. Look at that. How many sports? How many different sports? How many different sports you can say? How many different sports? Yes, write your 30 different sports. Okay, now I'm writing the answer. For number 1, for number A, the answer is how often the Olympic Games held. The Olympic Games held in every 4 years. And number B, how many countries compete in the Olympic? There are about more than 200 countries. Compete in the Olympics. Number C, how many athletes compete in the Olympics? You can say answer about 13,000 athletes compete in the Olympics. And number D is how many sports? There are 30 different sports. There are 30 different sports in the Olympic. So, thank you for your answer. 30 different sports. Say 30. Okay, thank you. 30. There are 30 different sports in the Olympics. In the Olympics. Okay, you have a homework now. I'm giving you some homework that you can give me to my messenger. This is my Facebook name. You can give your homework in my messenger. Okay, it's your homework now. Write 5 sentences about Olympic Games. Write 5 sentences about Olympic Games. You can give it to my Facebook Messenger. You can give it. And thank you for joining my class here. And thank you everybody who are in my class. See you again next time. বাসায় থাকবে, পড়াশোনা করবে। Because কিছুদিন পরে তোমাদের হয়তো স্কুলগুলো ভালো হলে খুলে যাবে। ঠিক আছে, খুলে গেলে এগুলো তোমার দরকার হবে। তোমাদের সমাপনী পরীক্ষার্থী এবং একটা 5 শেষ করছো, আরো বেশি জ্ঞান অর্জনের জন্য এগুলো দরকার হবে তোমাদের। So, thank you everybody. Thank you join in my class and stay with ঘরে বসে শিখি page. Thank you.